I'm going to attempt a smoky eye. You know, the dark, smoky, bedroom looking eye. Yeah, those. I have never done it before and I don't think I'm gonna be very good at it, but we're gonna try it. I want to use this Profusion Smoky palette, which I've featured on my channel before. It has been loved. I use this shade every day. We're gonna dive into like the dark shades. I want to try to challenge myself. I have a long sleeve sweatshirt on, sweatpants, and a blanket, and I'm sweating. So I tend to sweat on my upper lip, which is kind of gross for a girl, but you know, what can you do? Starting off with adding some concealer to prime the eyes. I'm just using the Pretty Smart concealer. That's actually a really good concealer, by the way. If you have not tried it, you can get it at Walmart. Profusion Smoky palette. Okay, now we're gonna go in with this shade right here. It's called Pure. I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. I like to do that no matter what I'm doing, because I feel like it just gives a good base for the rest of the eyeshadows and everything blends a whole lot easier. I sense this is going to be an easy look. Now, whether it looks good at the end, I don't know. Sweat. I'm just gonna go in with like a more dense brush and go in with this black shade called Raven. Oh, I'm scared. Okay, I'm just gonna put this all over my lid. I'm kind of stamping it and then swiping up. I think that'll kind of limit the fallout. I'm just bringing it right up into my socket, like the crease area, like that. My husband's gonna come home from work and be like, what the heck? I did not practice this beforehand. I don't practice my makeup looks before I film them, by the way. I feel like a lot of people do. That could just be in my mind though, but I don't practice them. I just wing it. Whatever I want to do is what happens. I'm gonna go in with the shade Nutmeg and I'm gonna blend out that brown. Focus it right in the crease. I'm sitting here telling y'all what to do and I don't even know what I'm doing. What sense does that make? I mean, so far so good, right? I'm really just going off of memory of what I've seen other people do. I'm in the new era of just being real, being yourself. I'm doing a Bible study right now. That is one of the things that we go over, and I really just want to emphasize that. I feel like a lot of my videos, I'm just very like cut and dry. Like, this is what you do, this is what I like, you know, and like, I haven't really given like much personality, and I feel like that's just such a disservice because I am a weird girl. I'm a weird girl to my core. I portray normal, but I'm not. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Sandstorm, just like a lighter brown on a fluffier blending brush, and I'm gonna focus that like right on the edge. Windshield wiper motions. Just a little bit about me. If you're new here, hi, thanks for watching. I am a history nerd. I love World War II. I read books all the time. Historical fiction, crime. I listen to true crime podcasts. My wardrobe is basically black and brown. I love animals. I love God. Like I said, I'm doing a Bible study right now. I love my job. I have a husband. I have 2 dogs. I live in South Carolina. I think a lot of people think I'm from Georgia because of my accent. I'm in South Carolina. Oh my gosh, I love Halloween. Halloween is like my personality. Like, I leave some Halloween decor up all year round. No shame. I love anything horror. Favorite horror movie is Halloween. I'm gonna say Rob Zombie's Halloween. For brow bone, I'm gonna go in with the shade, this same shade, the same bone shade, Pure, on the brow bone. I'm not gonna use any shimmer. I feel like that would, there was shimmer on the brush. Now I have shimmer on my eye. I feel like shimmer would do this look injustice, I feel like it all needs to be, you know, matte. If you see a dog right now, that's Gemma. She loves to sit with me and walk on my desk while I do things. Don't forget to blend. So I was born in 1992. I feel like it should have been 1922. I'm very much an old soul. I love 20s, 30s, 40s, even 50s. Love that era. Oh my gosh, I feel like my soul just belongs there, you know. Love classic rock. Love Chris Brown, Rihanna, Luke Combs, Morgan Wallen. Just a wide variety. I think we are done. I'm going to go in with some eyeliner. This is just the NYX eyeliner. It's a good eyeliner. I have contacts, so it's hard. Ow, please hold. Ow. As I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted. I have contacts, so it's hard for me to find an eyeliner that doesn't transfer to my contacts that make them blurry, and this one doesn't do that, so score. I feel like for this look, to make it look really good, you need lashes, but that is another thing I'm awful at. I'm just gonna use regular mascara. This is a very chatty, very different makeup tutorial, but I just want you guys to see the real me and not someone who's just like so robotic telling you what to do when I don't even know what I'm doing myself. Fake it till you make it. This is the Colossal Bubble Mascara. I love this. I'm just gonna pop some mascara on. Like I said, if you're good at lashes, I think this look would look amazing with lashes. We're gonna try one new thing at a time, okay? Let's not push our luck. Mascara is on. I'm going to finish up the rest of my face. We'll come back, I'll show you the final look, and hopefully it all looks great together. I know it looks kind of crazy right now. Y'all, I did it. Look at this smoky eye. It looks so good. I'm so proud of myself. I have never done it before. I don't think. So dark, sultry, beautiful. And it just goes to show you that if you have a little bit of blending skills and a good affordable palette, you can do anything. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you can see more of my erratic personality and learn more about me in the videos to come. I'll just open up more and more. Let me know if you want to see, let me know what you want to see. Makeup tutorials, reviews, love doing that kind of stuff. So I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.